Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel, guys. Okay, let's just get a good angle. So I'm going to be working on my practice hand today, and of course the category is Christmas. I'm going to use some of this Lily of the Valley. Now I honestly don't know what I want to do on the rest of the nails yet. I have put on the tips some Madam Glam base coat. So let me just get a little alcohol to use as a slip, and hoping this brush has not got a lot of glitter. Now this is not my best gel brush, but it's what I have today. So I know I want this nail to be white, some of it anyway, and I think maybe from the cuticle area, and then I'm going to just feather that white polygel down into the nail. So don't forget, guys, the codes on screen, please feel free to use and share them. Madam Glam have so many amazing offers right now, so you really couldn't go wrong. Okay, so my decal will be around there, and I'm happy with that. So while my polygel is wet, I can actually just, take advantage of that and just put a few things on there. I am now going to use Ice Blossom. That's a clear. So I'm going to put a tiny little bit, just a little bit, just at the bottom of that nail. Loose glitter. And what I'm going to do is, I have the Perfect White on my palette, and I have Hard Cure. Remember this one? It's the red I'm kind of looking for, so that's why I didn't use, the one from this month's collection, Christmas Essence. Plus, I used it in my previous video, so I'm being fair. So I'm going to use the Madam Glam ombre brush, and I've got the blooming gel, so I think I'm going to have to get you off the stand. So what I want to do is take a little bit of the red, a little bit of the white, and just get it on the nail. Now I still have a little bit there, so I'm just going to go back in and see. And down here. So I'm just going to bring that down that way. Okay, so now I have cured it. I am going to go in with some Joy. Now, Joy is such a stunning color, and I kind of want to not so much as fill in the areas, but I want you to see Joy. I think the Christmas collections that Madam Glam do, they really do. They know it gets to this time of the year and we're all just, we're just gagging for more glitter. Then I also want you to see, a lot of this Joy. I've got some parts of the nail that are clear. Let's see if we can find some snowflakes. So I'm literally just moving, you know, all the pieces around on that wet base. Now I've still got some of that loose hollow glitter which I put on the other nail, so I'm just going to put that just like that, because we you know, we want the Christmas vibe. So I'm just going to finish this one off camera, and I think it would just go perfectly on that nail. So stinking cute. So I'm going to try this whole stamping thing again with the decal. So okay, today it worked. Now I do have a little tiny bit there. Oh my gosh. And I love the Peppermint Fimos. Now I haven't top coated the bottom side yet, but you have to. Now I still have to top coat the bottom side. So because we did it on a clear nail, you want, you know, that full clarity of the nail. Thank you all so much for watching. Here are how the nails look. I just top coated with Madam Glam's No Wipe top coat, and I absolutely love it. Definitely giving Christmas vibes. And the Gonk, and we have a marble in there, so it's just giving off all that peppermint, that red and white vibes, and we encapsulated some flakes, some snowflakes. Now let's turn this light off and see, so you can see the joy. That's joy. So yes guys, thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I absolutely had fun creating this set this Christmas. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, thank you all so much. I'm Mama Does Nails. I'm out. Bye. Catch me in the next one.